My best bite this week was a piece of grilled swordfish with a pineapple and mango salsa with a little bit of mint in it, and then a cilantro rice.
This is kind of retro sounding.
It's very retro sounding. Grilled swordfish is something I used to make for one of my clients many, many years ago, and they asked me to make it all the time to the point where, there's kind of like, you shouldn't eat big fish like that so often.
It's like high in mercury, right?
Higher in mercury, but...
What do you think is a good substitute for swordfish for people who don't want to eat it? Like halibut, maybe?
Halibut, yeah, I think so. It's a very meaty fish.
It's a meaty white fish, and it sort of flakes, but it holds its shape when you grill it.